Hey, so here we are with the last videos. The last video of Break No More. So if you watched everything or if you started or if you've done anything seriously, congratulations. And a major congratulations as well if you've gone through all the playlists. Comment it below if you've done this. If you comment like how far you've gone, say how much it helped you, how much it supported you. If you have questions, also comment them below. Tell me what's up. Say to people like just you have the right not to feel fulfilled with the playlist at all. It's what we call building discernment. It's what we call exerting critical thinking. Critical thinking is about uh, stating with accuracy what you like and what you don't like. It's both. It can be both. It doesn't have to be negative to be critical. It can be as well positive. I can be hypercritical while commenting very thoroughly the positive aspects of something. And it can go as well in the other directions. We are just used to excessive criticism in a negative aspect because this is how it is used in the negative side because our world is made to create pain right now. So perhaps you can be like excessively critical on the other end as well if you'd like to, right? You can like be very thorough in your comment on the positive aspects. Like I have been, if you go through the entire playlist, I have been bringing variations, right? You can try to see what works best for you, what you like best for you, like in the structure and how I build the thing. If you do this like thoroughly, it's not only gonna bring me some good feedback on what works best for you, what you enjoy most. It's gonna as well make you think about what you like most in life. And in such a way, it's gonna help you as well to recognize it in other things. The more you focus on it, the more you are thorough about it, and the more elaborate you are about what you like, what you love, what's positive for you, what brings you more, and the more you have the capacity as well to incorporate it in your own life because you know exactly why it brings you something. So just be hypercritical if you like, or just quickly. You can just be quick and be like, this I loved. It doesn't have to be that elaborated, like as long as you just know what you like, sometimes it's just enough, right? You don't have to be like so full on and 100% to the moon and back to an entire to the border of the universe and back. You don't have to go that far. It's like sometimes we only need just to state what we love to feel better, and if you just want to feel better by with the small statement, that's totally fine. You don't have to comment it even like as long as you think about it. This is what matters. So up, I am in a video take. Yeah, I have been called, which is to interrupt the flow as usual. The more things are gonna go with Stalk Yourself, the more you're gonna have like proper setups. The less interruptions you're gonna be witnessing on the videos. Um. So, um, yeah. What have we seen? You have like a value worksheet that you can work with, which is amazing. Uh, I need to admit that I didn't remember that I had made a file around that. Like I created that sheet to that worksheet when I was gone in a in therapy myself. Like it was not like real, like it was real therapy, but like not like extensive therapy, like not the way you can imagine with that, with someone with hundreds of diplomas and shit, you know. Um, but still, people super knowledgeable, as you can imagine, like still professionals with freaking diplomas and freaking way of thinking about psychology. So because you know, because of who I am, I have been recommended this book, which is called Acceptance and Commitment Therapy in 7 Weeks: Strategies to Manage Depression, Anxiety, PTSD, OCD, and more. Um, it's called Reclaim Your Life. I would recommend it. She's a licensed clinical psychologist based in Los Angeles. She is specializing in third wave cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, like acceptance and commitment therapy. Her mission is to help people learn how to relate to their distress with a sense of acceptance and compassion. So she has a website that is Dr. Carissa Goodstaffson.com. Um, so yeah, I have worked a bit around it, and this is, yeah, you see, I have put like taken like little notes around it. So yeah, dude, like I have not gone through it thoroughly, that's for sure. Yet I have done part of the work. Like it has been updated with what I have been saying. I see. So you're gonna see a bit of my work in there, right? So it means that at some point I'm gonna bring up some books like this that you're gonna be able to buy if my work is going into the one of specialists like this, like specialist. Yeah. So you can consider that you have here a licensed psychologist, right? If I'm a reference for a licensed psychologist, it means that I am as well to some extent. I just don't have the paper diploma. This is all. I want to do it at some point. I guess I could have a diploma, like because of my professionalism and so on, that can be given by like because of my extensive work. Sorry, that can be given by some universities. Perhaps it's going to come at some point. Let's see. I certainly hope so. Like I have been contributing on a in the world of psychology so much that already that I'm grateful to receive one. That would help actually for a PhD, you know, because I want to do a PhD in neuroscience, psychology, cognitive psychology, and applied quantum psychology or experimental psychology. Yeah, I want to go somewhere there. So I need to study physics, chemistry, neuroscience, and so much more. Um, I want to nerd around a bit more in the specifics to get better what's going on, the mechanisms, and on the biological level, the physical level. I mean, the physics on the physics on the mechanics and how it's all related and so on, to be able to bring you a more holistic perspective, a perspective that is more linked to what's actually going on and less on the meta to meta level. It's super practical what I try to deliver to you, so that it would remain just simple and effective. Because like we are living in a world of utmost practicality, right? Physicality. So I know that from that practical level, then it can be, there are some other stuff that are embedded and to help you support the effort, you know. And yeah, I hope you are happy. What we've seen was first, like I've done like a first introduction to you to the playlist. Then we've gone through the root causes. The root causes permits you to see where in your past you had like a lead, something like that makes you go in one direction, you know, because it's like if you have something in the past here, like you're here right now, you're on that level, and in the past you have something that makes you go in this direction. This is the root cause here. So when you are here, you tend to go in this direction and you don't know why. You don't know why you want to go in this direction, but like no matter what you do, like it's super hard and you keep pushing and like oh you're locked in as if. So if you go in the to take a look at your past, once you understand what's up there, it it diffuse the gravity point, so to say, that just orientates your current direction. It frees it, and then all of a sudden you can just go in every direction. It frees you. So this is why it's interesting to go about the root causes. So we've seen this. Then the value worksheets. Then we see the why it's an important work, which is something that works around your motivation so that you can keep going at it no matter what and have a strong foundation of reason why you are doing this. So that you don't drop just after one day, so that the second day you're like, oh no, I actually want to do this, right? And then this motivation is what helps you to then get results, right? Then we've seen immediate actions, like so that you can just get into the grind directly, right? Not possibly the grind, but like the get into the motion. And this is something that you can revisit as often as possible, right? To give you inspiration as well to move forward and to keep going at it. Then we've seen beliefs, so that you aren't dropping the work within the day, for instance, so that you just know that this is something that it's like beside the whys, so that you just believe in what you are doing, like in the process, without being fixating, for instance, on the outcome, right? And then we've seen affirmation systems. Those affirmation systems, they help you reshape as well your vision alongside the belief system, right? So we've seen quite a bit. Please let me know how it impacted you. Like this work on the values had a major impact in my life. I must admit, only because it helped me diffuse my actions and the way I was behaving from myself. And this was a major step for me. It enabled me to really start reshape myself in a manner that was less disconnected to my downwarding emotions. And that was a critical point that allowed me to free myself and to properly move forward. So I certainly want you to know at least the same. I have been a bit pressured to go about delivering some daiquiris. So I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Perhaps I'm gonna record a video about emotional support. I need to put everything online right now because I just finished to record all the affirmation systems and videos, and I need to put them all online. It's about 38 videos. It's gonna take me a bit like around half an hour at least, I think. But perhaps I'm more in the motion of talking right now. I'm gonna do this later. I don't know. Let's see. I give myself freedom. I just know that this is on my list. Now you know a bit what I'm going about. You know where we are in a person to person relation. I know that because I'm teaching you stuff, you tend to copy as well what I do. You tend to take me as a role model. This is totally normal because I am a figure of authority. Right now, I'm delivering you knowledge, and because I'm delivering you knowledge, you position me instinctively, automatically as a figure of authority. You need to understand that as well. And so, yeah, I'm telling you what's up. So before being disrupted, I'm gonna close it. No, like, see, this is harassment. This is what
Arnaud,
I'm doing.
tu veux faire un cocktail?
Yes.
Hein?
Oui.
Quand ça?
Tout de suite.
Maintenant, là?
Oui.
Attends.
So this is me delivering you insight despite all the harassment that's going on in my life, all the layers of harassment that is going on in my life. So you can take it as a like an act of courage, an interpretation of the value of courage, of discipline as well, of self-preservation, of service, because no matter what's going on around me, I still do it, of integrity as well, because I believe in what I do and I do it no matter what, of care as well. It's as well an expression of wisdom for me, because I know better than dropping the thing. I know that it needs to be happening so that it would unlock you, so that you would unlock stuff for me. For instance, like, I understand that we are in an interconnected world and that I'm not alone in this. It's as well like a proof of strength, for instance, right? I am bringing myself stability, right? When I tell you what I'm going about, it's an expression of sincerity, right? It's not me like just yapping and just saying too much all the time. It's just that I am sincere about what I do, about how I live my life, right? It's an expression of honesty, right? And it's also an expression of safety, because I feel safe saying it, right? So instead of being like in this mind concept of, oh, I'm talking too much, it's like, no, actually I'm feeling safe talking. And it's like, oh, actually I'm feeling safe talking. I'm not talking too much. I'm feeling safe stating how I feel, like instinctively. So why do I think the contrary? Like, where did that happen in my life? I mean, like, because we can be blamed, but like, actually what people tell you versus what you feel is different. I am loyal as well to my work right now. Like, knowledge is big thing for me, so I'm sharing knowledge with you transparently. All that. So take your time, and do not take your time, because we need this right now. Just do something, right? If you're feeling a bit lost, this is the perfect playlist for you. Just go about it again. Watch something else in between, but just do something. Keep in action. You're gonna get clarity no matter what with time. Trust time. Time is your best friend for this. Okay, trust it. The more consistency you put, the more effort you put in it, the more it's gonna unfold. That you can trust. It's never gonna stay fixed. Never ever. You know that you are in the right direction. So well done, congratulations. I love you for what you've been doing up to now, really, because this is an expression of the best part of humanity, to take care of yourself. So I love you for that, right? Thank you so much. And yeah, I wish you well, and keep at it. Come come back to the videos as often as you want. Put an alarm clock. Come back, just do it. It's small videos, and I put so much effort in it to keep it small, while I just spend 20 minutes out of nowhere right now talking to you, because I love talking and I love sharing knowledge. So respect that. Respect me and do the work. If you don't respect yourself, at least respect me. Okay, much love.